Everything it's energy. Every single thing that you can see, that you can touch, that you can feel were created by God, by the universe. And we, as humans, we are an extension of this source of blessings and positive things. By the way, you know the law of action and reaction. If you don't and you don't know when it's happening, well, it's happening right now. It's happening every single second in your life if you can feel or know it's happening. And the thing is, this is connect with your life and everything that you give to the universe, everything that you emanate to the universe as energy, as vibration, you will receive the same thing that you give. So if you are being a positive person and doing positive things and being nice with the people and helping the people, you're gonna receive more of these things. But also don't think that have difference between being nice to a person or an object, because there isn't. Because every single thing that you can see, touch, or feel has conscience. To better explain what I'm saying, a scientist named Masaru Emoto did an experiment that explains that everything has consciousness. So, your experiment was through the water. He took kind of 50 particles of water. He put all this water in separate containers, and then he chose to put this in the fridge that was negative 55 Celsius. He waited 3 hours, and then he moved all these little containers and he put in another fridge that was negative 5 Celsius, and he started to take pictures of all these little containers. But during this process of taking pictures, he decided to spoke good things, good positive things to some of these little particles. And he realized that when he did this, when he projected the feeling of love, the feeling of gratitude, the little water just turned into a crystal. So after he figured out that good words and good feelings can change one particle of water, he decided to do the same experiment but with bad words, bad feelings, negative thoughts, all these things. So he kind of said, I hate you, I want to kill you, you are so ugly. And I mean, you think the little particles of water turn into a crystal? No. It turned into like something kind of dirty and changed the color, and just like if you see, I will put the picture, but it's something like kind of gross. So he realized that both the experiments that he did with the same containers, with the same water, both had transformation, but what makes them be different was literally the words and the feelings that he put on them. So the science explains that the thoughts and the intention that he put on these little containers was the force responsible for generating this transformation. Okay, listen, I don't know if you know that, but 90% of our body is made of water. So imagine what our words and what our thoughts can do to ourselves or can do with someone that we talk every single day. You literally can make and turn into a crystal, or make someone and turn into a dirty and gross thing inside of this person, of course. But I'm saying you can change the life of another person. You can change your own life if you say bad or good things. You know, you can turn into yourself a crystal or something gross. This will depend how you treat to yourself. That's why your words, your feelings, your thoughts, your intentions, they make and they create who you are. Because all the things that is happening into your reality right now, into your life right now, they are just a manifestation of something that I have inside of your mind. So if you're having poverty, if you don't have money for some reason, if you have a fight with someone, if you don't like someone, if you're having bad situations in your life right now, they are just a reflection that you have bad things here. You have bad thoughts, you have bad feelings inside of your mind, and you need clean up. And I'm here to teach you how to do that. So let's change that. Okay, so think you are like the water particle from Masaru's experiment, the science, remember? You have the choice. Do you want to turn into a crystal or something like dirty, gross? I think you want to turn into a crystal, right? If you want to that, you should start to saying good things to yourself every single day. Positive affirmations are a good example. So you can literally just say, I'm pretty, I'm a good person, I have good friends, I have a good relationship, I love my body, I love who I am, I love my money, I have money, I'm rich, all these positive things. Okay, Deusa, but I'm saying that I'm rich, but I'm not rich. I'm saying that I'm pretty, but I'm not pretty. I'm saying that I'm skinny, but I'm not skinny. I'm lying to myself. What I need to do? Okay, don't worry if you're making affirmations that isn't real yet, because everything that you make consistently and like you repeat every single day and a lot of times, it will become real. How do you think that you memorize a song or a movie? Because you watch and you listen every single day. Not every single day, but you repeat this action a lot of times. So your mind just memorize. And that's the same thing with affirmations. So start to say you're pretty, you have a good body, always saying to yourself. So I'm pretty, I have a good body, all these good things, and I promise it will become real. Okay, now I will tell you examples that you don't need to say. Okay, you should not to say that, because I promise you will attract these things. If you say, I'm poor, I'm ugly, I hate my body, the people hate me, I hate people, no one likes me, I will never find someone to love, I hate relationships, I don't need to tell you, right, what all these examples are. They are negative thoughts, they are negative affirmations. So if you are saying that, or if you usually say something like that I just said, please stop, because all this bad vibration, all this bad energy is going to start to become real into your life. So please make sure that you're saying good things to yourself and you're saying good things to other people, because everything that you do to another person, it just like you just attract to yourself. So do to a person what you want to receive from this person. So don't forget, everything has energy and consciousness. Your car has energy, your cell phone has energy, your shoes has energy, you are energy. If you don't believe me, try to do experiment with your cell phone. Try to say bad things to your cell phone every single day. You're gonna see that your cell phone is gonna start to glitching. Everything that we give to universe, we are gonna receive. So be nice to the people, be nice with yourself, and more of these things you're gonna receive.